New Crocs. Big day today, guys. I just woke up like an hour ago. I picked up an extra shift last night, got some OT, but it's not gonna stop us. We are finishing our final steps, guys. I'm literally mating the oil pan today to the block, as you can see. I already did the timing cover. You guys saw that earlier, so that's all bonded up. It actually looks really good. So I just cleaned the mating surface. I have to get this Honda bond off. Let's see if I can just do this when you guys are here. I'm just getting the remainders of the Honda bond off, so you can see that right there. And we're literally gonna do a seal. I'll show you guys how to do it. We're gonna do a seal, just follow the line, and then we're gonna go ahead and mount it on. I have all my oil pan bolts. Had to get out here. I wanna get this thing done. After this is done, I can then basically get all the accessories on. I'm gonna get all the accessories on. All right, guys, check the surface. Surface looks clean. We're gonna go ahead and get our Honda bond on, and we can mate the oil pan on, guys. This has to be quick, so we have to do this in like 10 minutes because the Honda bond will start to dry. Let's go ahead and get into this. All right, so that's how it should look. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing on because I don't have a lot of time. This stuff wants to already dry. So you wanna keep that line basically just like that, okay? All right, guys, it is on. Start putting these bolts in real quick. That was tough, I'm not gonna lie. Can't say that was the smoothest job that I've done, but to be honest with you guys, it's the best that it's gonna get. So it was a little tricky. I don't have this engine stand completely upside down just because I only have 3 points that are plugged in here, so I don't want to have any risk of like falling over. So I just kind of did this, you know, kind of half. The Honda bond is sealing in. I'm just gonna go ahead and recheck all my measurements. I already did a sequence, so just double checking my work now, making sure everything's okay. Also, I recommend using the cover, the longer cover that comes with this, guys. Don't use like how I did it. It's harder to have like a flush stream of Honda bond, but I lost the other piece to this, so unfortunately I just had to use it like this, and it was kind of tough, but I went a little bit extra just in case. So hopefully everything seals good. I'm pretty confident about the job. I think it looks well, but the real test will be when you know, everything's running, and we'll see if anything opens up down the road. So everything's done, guys. Timing cover is on. We got our oil pan. So we got the timing covers, Honda bond, as you can see. We have the oil pan, which is all mounted up and freshly Honda bond. Like, look at that job though. That job looks pretty like flush for the most part. And I noticed I am missing a bolt right there. So yeah, that's not good, but you know what, I think we're okay. We're gonna be good. We are mounting on most of my external accessories. So I got my engine mount right here. We're gonna slap this on, RBC manifold, and a bunch of parts in here. We're gonna replace the VTC gasket right now. I have a new one I'm trying to open up right here. That's what it looks like. So to get this old one out, I don't have anything pointy, so I'm gonna use some needle noses carefully. Try to like get a surface on this. There it is. There we go. RBC intake manifold is on. Honestly, guys, this is the part in the engine rebuild that I've been waiting for. It's literally mating on parts, torquing them down, and it's a lot easier than tearing everything down. Let's just put it that way. So we're gonna keep going here. I'm gonna put the water pump housing on. I'm gonna put the some brackets on in the back, my VTEC spool valve.